Ladies and gentlemen, reporters, snow hits northeast coast one more time. Snow hit northeast coast again. Travel starts again in northeast coast, New York State, or New York City in particular. JFK is shut down. No flight taken off from JFK. Ladies and gentlemen, reporters in New York City, bringing you the updates. Snow stop. So we're here. Okay. Going about their businesses. Ladies and gentlemen. Cleaners handy. Snow blower handy, and about their businesses. Hands on deck. Everyone, the teachers are going to school, students are going to school. City is running. That's a quiet at this time. School bus. So, good enough. Snowstorm rock New York again. This is New York. This is America. So, gentlemen, reporting from New York City, covering the snowstorm one more time. But not as crazy as the first one, but basically the flight in JFK starts this morning, and there's no flight taken off from JFK and there's none coming in. But transportation, land and train is still running. We're monitoring this development. We want you to stay with us as we bring you updates from time to time this morning in New York City. All right. So. It's another intersection in the city. School buses are running, and just the flight now happening this morning as we monitor snowstorm in the city. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll keep you updated on this development. Another storm hit northeast coast of the United States. Snowstorm. It looks like almost like 4-inch snow this morning. It might be increasing. So we shall be monitoring this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Good morning, miss. How are you? How is the cross session? No, you don't want to talk to us? Okay. All right, station reporters at the crossing guard. I want to know how she feels this morning about the weather. And we are following this development, ladies and gentlemen. And please stay with us. We shall be bringing update. Okay. Thank you. We got heat one more time. It's March 8th, 2013, and so some minutes past 7 this morning, Friday, heading into the weekend. People are cleaning. Okay. Snow blowers everywhere, and follow on this development, and shall keep you posted.